Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Sulit tayo niyan sa open source by Beyond the Box. So this is the midnight launch for the iPhone 16. And yep, we're just waiting for a few more minutes before people will actually be able to get inside the store. So may early access kami, pero syempre hindi pa rin po pwedeng mag-claim because everyone should receive their unit by 12 a.m. So yun yung pinaka-start niya. Lots of things happened today. Nag-perform si Zil, nag-perform si Alex Calia. In fact, right now, he's performing. And kanina, I also had a quick spot that I talked about, where I talked about the 10 things why Beyond the Box is the best place to get iPhone 16. And also, what are the freebies na kasama if you pre-order via Beyond the Box. So ito yung itsura ng lugar. This is just a very, very quick early access. At nandun yung mga iPhone right there. Okay, so exciting. So behind me are some of the tech vloggers na tumitingin ng mga bagong iPhone 16 series. We have iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, saka 16 Pro Max. Kasi sila sa likod, no? Most of the people at the back are actually partners of Beyond the Box. At meron kami, as I mentioned earlier, early access dito sa open source by Beyond the Box. So exciting times, no? May mga different personalities din na nandito ngayon, no? Nandito ngayon si Jason, ayun, no? Si Jason. Saka dito rin si Mary, no? Nag-video rin sila ngayon, no? At sobrang
bipolar po ako, kaya different personality.
Yeah, so I think patapos na yung early access for the tech bloggers and some influencers na nandito. Lalabas na uli kami and just to get ready for the 12 o'clock na pwedeng pumasok dito sa open source by Beyond the Box. Let's go! Okay, so break muna. It's already 11:20 by my watch. 40 rather, 11:40. So 20 more minutes before magpapasok sa loob. And that's usually the case for iPhone launches. But the good thing is that Beyond the Box has several activations here. At saka may mga performances as I mentioned earlier. Seems that people are enjoying while waiting for the actual pickup of the unit. And just like last year, may mga cue cards din mga yan. And, if you're number one, you're the first one to get in, you're the first one to claim. And usually may mga bonuses, yung mga pinakauna nag-claim. May bonus yan. And apart from the 13,000 worth na freebies that they'll be getting later on, meron pang mga iba, mga vouchers that they can actually use at the store, which is really a good deal. And I think si Beyond the Box isa sa mga pinakamaganda na mga bonuses for those who pre-ordered and claimed during the actual launch date, which is in a little bit. And then the other one naman is yung mga those na nag-pre-order. May pangatlo pa pala, yung mga bibili na lang, no, right after the launch date. So marami, siyempre, sa mga consumers would actually do that. Yung mga parating na mga influencers dito, no? Kanina na dyan si Zil, dumating din kanina si Alex Calieja, as I mentioned kanina, nag-perform siya, nanonood kami sa loob. At si Niana Guerrero is also coming over here, no? At exciting kasi I follow niya na really huge number of subscribers and very nice. I think she's here now. Cool. It is last 7 minutes before magpapasok doon sa loob ng Beyond the Box, open source by Beyond the Box. Again, what are the things that they're expecting? Claiman na, no? May numerong bibigay sa'yo and then they're just gonna walk in, get their device, pay applicable fees and you know, things that they need to pay kung meron man. At saka they will receive the iPhone 16 na order nila plus the giveaways, no, that they have. Mga partners dito, si Beyond the Box, there's Union Bank right there, there's also RCBC, and I think PNB, no, dito. These are their partner banks para sa mga credit card payments saka sa mga bank transactions that they have right here at open source by Beyond the Box. So dito rin sila, meron din booth dito where you can claim your freebies. So currently there is one right here. At nandito yung Native Union na tote bag, meron pang extra dito na charger, at saka meron din yata na bumax na fan. No? So, kung init na init ka, very humid ngayon sa mga panahon na to, andito yan. It's all here. It's down to the last 5 minutes here at Open Source by Beyond the Box. Yan, nag-alarm na, 5 minutes na lang. And right here behind me are the ones na nakapila, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So ito na yung top 5 natin. Ano kaya yung makukuha nila dito? So let's find out. Last 55 seconds.
Once again, thank you all so much for joining us. See Beyond, the iPhone 16 midnight launch.
Actually, imagine niyo kung dito yung Apple, di ba? Imagine niyo yun. Gaano kaya kadami yung pipila? Tapos isang Apple store lang. Ito, Open Source by Beyond the Box. Ang dami na pumipila.
Here we go, Parqal! Let's all get together! 20, 19, 18, 17, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The most awaited iPhone 16 has been officially launched.
Let's go!
Once again, welcome to see Beyond the iPhone 16 midnight launch.
There's a lot of confettis! Oh my God, that's a lot of it! And we have right there the first one na makakakuha ng kanyang iPhone, number 1.
We are here at Parqal Mall for an
Hey!
and of course, our first customer to avail the brand new iPhone 16.
Okay, so very interesting yung ginawa nila ngayon. So you're gonna be paying first, and then after that, you'll get your unit. And you go out, and they have a designated area where you will claim your freebies and unbrick. Ibig sabihin ng unbrick is you unbox the device that you just purchased.
And of course, our very first customer, the very first person who purchased an iPhone 16 tonight. Madam, congratulations. Thank you. Since 7 a.m. Enjoy your new iPhone.
Thank you everyone for coming and thank you for celebrating with us.
There you have it. Once again, ladies and gents, welcome to See Beyond, the midnight launch of the iPhone 16 brought to you by Beyond the Box. Make some noise! And good night.
And the doors are now finally open for all the customers who pre-ordered their iPhone 16. So yan sila ngayon, they're all coming in. At yung black na curtain that covers the store is now open. So wala na siya ngayon. And people are now starting to claim their orders. And then after this, ang gagawin nila is lalabas sila at there is an official area for the unbreaking or the unboxing of the devices. Sama ko ngayon si Mary Bautista sa si Jason Junicio. Well, they're getting married and very soon I'll be their ninong. You're welcome. Fake yan, fake. And yeah, so what color are you getting?
I'm getting Desert Titanium.
Oh, same.
Twinning.
Yeah, twinning, 1 terabyte.
1 terabyte.
Dapat lang, for content creators like us, so 1 terabyte is the way to go.
For that 120 FPS slow-mo.
That is exactly the thing you need, no? Nako, napakaraming mga possible creative executions.
Right.
Di ba? So, congratulations on you, iPhone. Oh, congratulations to us. Oh, let's go, let's do this. Okay, so na-claim na namin ang iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1 terabyte here, and it's now with our boss. Sorry,
That laughter was maniacal.
was an evil maniacal laugh. But yeah, it's already here. Pakita natin, no? Yan, so that's the Desert Titanium, or should I say Dessert Titanium. Okay, so this is it. So ito yung unit, and it hasn't been opened yet because as usual, there is a policy na when you order, you can only get it at 12:01 ng 18th of 2024 at doon mo na siya pwede i-activate. So this one retails for 121,999. This is the 1 terabyte version. So ayun, no? So I will give Louie the honor of unboxing, but I will not give her the honor of owning it and keeping it. So
I don't
Louie,
want that.
let's do it with the presence of your boyfriend Rick. Right there, right there. Nagpapaka-trump ako dito.
Okay, so this
So-
one is iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1 terabyte. Grabe, in fairness, ha? Okay, so the box is like this. This thin lang, sexy, sleek. And
Like me, joke.
Okay, I should stop laughing like that. My laughter. Okay, so there's a seals, obviously, as Gian said. You can't really open it unless you unseal it. So what time is it? Time check. It's 12:28.
12:28.
So we can actually unbox this na talaga. So here we go.
Let's go.
Gusto mo talaga ako talaga?
Yeah, syempre.
Okay, sige. I'm not gonna say no because I love iPhone. So here we are peeling it off.
Oh, you did it!
Yay! Gusto mo ikaw yung isa?
Did it. Sige, sige, ako naman yung isa.
Oh, ikaw yung isa. Wow, ating kapatid.
Oh, yes! Iyamit! Ayan.
Okay. So, ganito siya.
And there you...
Ayan. Baka
go.
malaglag. Wow! Ooh. Okay, that color is
I did
so
not expect
unique.
it to be that light. Kasi di ba yung normally pagka, ano...
Teka, tatanggalin ko na siya sa box, ha? Here we go.
Oh.
Baka gusto mo muna pakita what
So,
comes
yeah,
with the
so
box.
what comes with the box, there's a braided cable.
Oh my God, there's a cable.
It's a braided cable.
I'm so happy that they brought it back because
Yep.
the last time they normally don't give cables anymore.
But they do, pero there's no
no
port to the charger.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't remember this
Pero
one.
the only thing that's missing right now is wala na siyang stickers. If you take a look at it, there's no more stickers there.
So you have your documents here, uniquely shaped. That's a unique shape.
Pill shaped.
Yeah. And then this is the cable. And you also have the SIM ejector tool right there.
Yeah, it's neatly packed.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Try to rebox it. It's impossible to get it
I
back.
don't want to rebox it because, yeah.
And if you can see, it's USB-C to USB-C.
And it's braided. I like it. I like
Braided.
the
Yeah.
texture.
Ganda.
And the texture of this one is kind of similar with the one from Function 101. Remember that? The one na
the
magnetic,
cable,
ano?
yeah,
Galing, galing.
actually. Sana they implement that in the future.
Can you give us a quick overview of the color? Like how does it feel? Like
Honestly, it says desert titanium, right? But it's a little bit, I don't know if it's the lighting, but under this lighting, it's a little pinkish. Parang, but it depends on the lighting. So if you have white light on it, it looks more silver. So medyo dynamic yung color niya, I think. Ang interesting niya because it's something like this colorway I haven't seen before in an iPhone. So I'm used to like blacks and whites and golds, and then we had like super pop colors like pinks and blues and yellows. But
Yeah.
nothing like medyo pinky creamy.
So the way they did it is yung mga Pro saka Pro Max variants are the ones with less saturated colorfuls na color.
Muted.
Medyo muted saka medyo classy. I think it goes with the type of market they're trying to tap for each.
So the sides are may pagka rose gold nga siya in this lighting eh.
What's the main difference na nakikita mo ngayon sa mga buttons?
Oh, there's two now. You have two physical.
What do you think that is?
Oh, okay. Meron naman siyang indication. Meron kang cheat code here eh. So when you open it, so there's like a power button right here. And then there is a camera button, like a shutter camera button here. Which is new. That's new.
Yeah, that's the camera button that they have put on the new device. Yeah, so bagong-bago siya.
You have your, I don't know what this is for. This is for muting. And then you have your volume up and volume down. And then this is where you put your SIM card in if you have a physical SIM card. Because I think they can do eSIMs now, right?
Yeah, you can do eSIMs.
So ayan. And that's it. Do you want me to unpeel this? To peel this?
Yeah, peel it off, bro.
Ooh, sexy. Ang ganda. Oh. Ay, kita ka.
All right.
Wala, we have to turn it on.
Yeah. So ito na yun. No? So trivia, when you open it before 12 o'clock, yung nagbenta nito na store would get penalized.
Grabe.
Yeah, ganun
They're
yun.
so strict.
Automatic yun. Kasi kaya ganun. That's the reason why na kapag
Wait, it's
official
loading.
siya. Ganun. Of course, there's a lot of things that's gonna happen. Maraming mangyayari dyan. I'll have to activate it. I'll have to... kasi I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max here. And I have to copy the contents of this one. Kaya pagdating ko ng bahay, like what I did last year, is mapupuyat ako kasi I have to transfer everything before I give this one to my wife. Ganun talaga. So, I also have here the pitaka na case, which is a very thin case that I bought recently. So, saktong-sakto, dumating na siya. I bought it from Lazada. But, syempre, meron din kasama kasi na freebies from Momax. I want to use that as well as parang pang palitan ba, no? But I like this because it's very, very thin. Ko nga maglagay niyan, tita. Yan.
Dito talaga, well, totoo naman, dito naman talaga ako. Wow, ang sexy.
Diba?
Wow!
It's so thin.
Wow.
It's so thin. And the camera
Super
button is
slim
not
case.
actually the camera button is it's not covered in any means.
Yeah, no, there are grooves, etches on the case so that hindi siya sagabal sa pag-press mo ng buttons. Which is what I hate sometimes about covers for phones. Like, it's hard to press because there's something covering your physical buttons. And I like the fact that they have like, nakaangat yung case dito.
There's
So,
creases. There's ample protection.
Elevated. So if you can see, elevated siya para protected yung lens ng camera mo because, you know, we need to protect your lens.
Yep, so that's it. That's been our quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And so, yeah, that's it. No, hope you guys enjoyed this coverage and quick unboxing. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you again for Beyond the Box for inviting us over and letting us experience, again, this midnight launch. This has been Gian.
And Louis.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.